guys, so what I'm going to do now is, if you remember when I first did the video on the truck, I had shown you there's some wear and scratch stuff on this component. So on both sides it's worn there from the previous owner. So what I'm going to do, what I found, is there's some covers that you can put on over top of this, and I'm going to put this on and fix this into there and add some wood grain accents to the truck. I'm going to see how these hold up on this, so it'll look kind of like that as opposed to that. And these are just double-sided tape that's used on here. These come in sets. I found them on Amazon. I'll put the link down below, but I'll put these on and see how they hold up. I think it'll look nice. It'll look more like a limited that has these wood accent pieces in here. I'll just make sure it's perfectly centered and go from there. So let me do the before and after here. So first thing I'm doing here is taking an alcohol covered rag and wiping the surface to get everything, all the grease off. And we'll clean that up nicely on all the edges, especially. Make sure that's very clean for the tape to stick to on this. Okay, so now I've taken all the tape off, and I'm gonna fix this right on here, perfectly centered, to stick it onto the surface now that it's clean and dry. Same thing, you see this one's all scratched up here and pretty marred up, so I'm gonna change that, put the cover over that one as well for the next side. And here's what it looks like now fixed on there. So you can't really tell that that's a cover and not the actual trim piece. So I'm very happy with the look of it. I'll clean it up a little bit around the edges with some car cleaner. It should look really nice with that little wooden accent in there. I think I'm going to do the same thing to this piece right here, and maybe the door panels here to change those out, and we'll show the before and after picture. And right here we've got this piece here we're going to put over here to make it that wood trim over the existing scratched up one. And now you can see this panel is now on there, and it looks really good, looks really nice. Here's the passenger side door. Now we'll do the back doors. All right, so it's finished off inside. I think it looks really nice. You can see here on the doors, they're right there, and then it's matching trim to that beam across down to here. And then if we look in, I also put a flat dull cover over that piano black that was there, so it doesn't scratch up and get so dusty anymore. And you can see even the little pieces right here and there are all covered with this kit. So it looks really sharp. I like it. It makes it fixes the issue I have, but it also makes it look more like a limited trim inside instead of just the regular SR5. So I'll post the links down below. There's lots of different colors you can pick. It's not just the wood. You can do black, silver, whatever. But yeah, these things, I'll see how they hold up over time, but they should be a pretty good option for someone who's looking for a quick cosmetic update to the interior of their truck. So links are down below. Post a comment or any helpful hints you might have down in the comments below. Thanks a lot, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.